Welcome to my store. Alright.
How much of a drip do you want? No.
That's a good drip. You didn't set up a drip. Why? Hook it up there. Hook it up.
I did set up a drip.
You did? What happened?
That happened.
It fell out.
Yeah.
My boy doesn't know how to drip?
So no more scoops because it's 1:30 and it's been a while. Right?
Yeah. Well, we started at midnight. Now it's...
1:30.
Oh man, an hour and a half. Okay. Hour and a half, put away 4 and a bit boxes of fish. That's pretty good. Especially when they were a little chilly. So what are you putting away first?
The damsels, the big ones.
Okay, so they're going to go in the long 40. So they're going to go in here. This is a short 40 or a long 40. There you go. Okay, so next.
They were fighting in the bag.
Yeah? They're damsels.
The one emperor.
Okay. One emperor go in one tank.
Ow.
Ow?
I keep getting electrocuted.
Don't touch the water, son.
No, but even if I touch the net, I hurt.
Don't touch the wet net. It's because of all the salt water on the floor?
I know.
Yeah. Wash the floor.
Use a smaller net.
You can use a smaller net. Why don't you use a white net? They're not as deep.
They're not?
No. You haven't noticed that? You use these nets, you've seen these nets since before you were born. And you didn't know they weren't as deep.
They're the same.
Okay, people? Tell Aaron whether he is remotely correct. No, you're not, because the green bag is loose.
But this has a thingy.
It has a thingy. That makes a difference?
Yeah.
The thingy.
Here or there?
There.
There?
There. See, that's the tiny one. Those Clark guys are kind of big. Right. They'll be good in there with the pajamas and the small clownfish and the little goby.
All these long yellowtail blues, damsels. Where would you like
Put them in the tank with the clownfish.
with only the clownfish?
What's these ones? They're relatively, they're not too bad. They're not as peaceful as the shorter yellowtail blues, but
Do
they're
you
not
want
bad.
the xanthurus all separated?
Yep, xanthurus 1, 2, 3, the same.
Any size preference?
Well, don't put the small one in with the big Clark eyes, but
No, with the largest one and with the Clark eye. Wait,
yeah.
which one's the Clark eye?
Clark eyes are in here. Those are sea bays. These here are sea bay clowns. These are Clark eyes. And well, for this guy, we'll put him down here.
Where would you like the orange guy?
The orange guys?
Yeah. I already dumped them.
There we go. The orange guys, put them in here. Because they jump too. This is the Dispar Anthias.
Is that one guy still down there?
Oh yeah.
And where would you like these ones?
What is it?
The black ones or the yellow?
Put one in each.
Oh, I didn't know they had to be separate.
Yeah, all angels except flames and grays can live in multiples. Swim around. Maybe that's a yellowfin angel. The lionfish, put him in with the damsels.
The long 40?
Yep. If he eats the damsel, I'm okay with it. He won't eat it. I'm kidding. I joke, I joke. That's pretty.
Where do you want the eel?
The eel goes in with the Clark guys. Tubes and stuff. Nobody can get into his mouth. Though he's not.
It's the yellow guy's coming.
Snowflake eel. Yeah, we sold the canary plenty.
Yeah, what to do with that? And you can do them.
Okay, the powder blues.
You can put them both down there. Put one here.
No, I want them both down here so that they can relax.
I thought they couldn't go together.
Oh yeah. Well, they can go together if they go in at the same time. Powder blues. As powder browns and powder blues are fight real bad. But in the ocean, remember, powder blues swim around together. What else do we got?
Nothing except freshwater.
Oh, well, the African cod frogs are away.
Where were they?
Yes. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it's a little big for them, but they have lots of room.
Oh, they already got out.
Who got it?
Oh, you already had upside downs in there?
No, he got it.
Oh.
Well, this method is not the most secure method for keeping them in a bag.
You dropped one.
No, I dropped two.
Oh. At least you're honest.
I'm your father. I don't need to lie to you. I can do whatever I want. That's what's so good about being dad. Absolute ruler, dictator. Sometimes
The only thing with that is you cut them really short, which means that it was hard for you to grab them.
No, I cut them right below the
That one was quite
staple.
short.
Well, they put a staple in it really close to it. You go, you phone Stefan, and you say, Stefan, my father would prefer.
You made it easier to do stuff.
Yeah. Aaron would have to carry in 5 boxes of fish because the bags would be comparatively bigger. But Aaron's thinking only of his father. Those are peacock spiny eels.
Where's their spines?
Look at their nose. They look spiny.
Lame.
And these are the Texas cichlids. Oh, that's good.
I haven't used the camera in a while. I feel weird. I don't like looking through it. That's fine.
You feel weird?
Yeah, I don't like doing anything in the camera. You want to switch places? Let's trade
No,
places.
you don't feel weird at all.
Let's trade places.
Okay, people. This boy, he doesn't feel weird. He feels like boy. Okay, this is overflowing. We'll leave that and we'll just take them out in the morning. There's the strawberry frog. Had that there for a year as of last October, and this is January, the next year. Year and a half, almost. Okay, that's the rainbow sharks. Aaron's pouring water all over the floor, my clean floor. The only reason it's clear is because he keeps throwing water on it. Put them in, put them in, put them in. No? Yeah, in there. Okay. You had me confused there for a second. I thought you were going for the wrong bucket. You do that sometimes, son.
No, I don't. I've never done that.
No?
Mm-hmm.
So you've made every other single mistake that could be possibly made, but not that one? Okay. It's good to hear. Good to know. ID sharks. And that's the end of this one.